Now sometimes when it comes to the DJI drones like the Mini 5 Pro, you just want to get it in the air and get flying. So welcome back. Now this video is just me flying around 6 fields. I just wanted to do a little bit of flight, get used to the drone and just enjoy the drone rather than telling you all the different functions it's got. I'm going to do that in later videos, but I just thought, you know what, I'm going to do a flying video. I'm going to fly it around and have a bit of fun. So here we go. So that was the 6 fields here in Hartburn, which is in the northeast of England, and this is where I fly my drone and do these little videos. But it's great to capture the train line. Sometimes you get some trains, freight trains, Northern, Transpennine and Grand Central and the likes over there. You've got the A19 over there, so sometimes you might see some trucks and cars going over that you might like. Get some nice footage of those. But you've got Hartwell Woods, which you'll have seen in the video. You've got Hartburn itself, which is a lovely little village area. But this open area is perfect for flying your drone. So this video was just that, just having a great day of flying rather than an instructional video like I usually do. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button, comment and let us know how you're getting on with your drone. If you've got any advice or any tips regarding the Mini 5 Pro or the RC2 or anything like that, or any videos you'd like to see me do, or any features you'd like to focus on, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next one. So take care of yourself and happy flying. When it comes to DJI drone, when it comes to DJI drones, there is one feature, one single feature. DJI have recently released an update, and it's a good one. Yeah, it's a good one. Everyone loves it. DJI have just released an update. recently released, because I haven't just updated. DJI have recently released an update. So DJI, bing bong. Hello Margaret. Is Terry in? No, he's out. Now the first issue that DJI have solved, it didn't allow you to move the drone whatsoever. Now they resolved that. Now that's sorted, didn't it? Yeah, proper smart and that. The next thing they've done is they've given you support for propeller guards. Now I don't use propeller guards. If you use propeller guards for your Mini 5 Pro, let me know in the comments. Hello there. Let me know in the comments there. Hello, Miss Piggy. Don't call me Quiet Piggy. I'm not good impressions. Is this the real life or is this just fantasy? Now the spotlight mode didn't work when you put it in cinematic and you had avoidance chikibangi in the chicken monkey setting. Now that's all been resolved with a bit of nice mint sauce and a naan bread. Now the first thing that DJI have fixed is the spotlight mode when you had it in cinematic, and also the obstacle avoidance was on bypass. Now before you couldn't actually move your drone at that point, but now they fixed that. Now it's all fancy. I'm boring myself here. So when it comes to fixes, they fixed the issue with the spotlight mode. Now if you were using your drone in cinematic mode and also had the obstacle avoidance on bypass, it wouldn't allow you to move the drone at all. Now they fixed that, so hopefully that has helped. Hopefully I can try that out and show you exactly how that's fixed, either in this video or another one. I don't know. Now the first calm. The other thing is the low battery strategy. Now that is making the absolutely chicken farts in a bunghole more mincy. Why can't I just read it out? Come on. Then the drone wouldn't move. So thankfully DJI fixed that, so you can get yourself out there and do some cinematic. Can't you? Hey? So the first thing that they have fixed, who's they? The cat's mother. Now last but no means least, now if you've updated your controller, the DJI simulator. Now if you've updated this little beauty, I've only just got this, so I've only just managed to get on and try it out. But the DJI, don't mention the simulator yet. Keep them guessing, Barbara. I only got it a few days ago. I've updated the firmware on my butthole to version 2.2. Oh, another train. So this little simulator is absolutely amazing, and you can just sit at home and just do stuff, you know what I mean, and have a laugh. Now last but no means least, this little gem is absolutely awesome. Now I've just got the all the features on there. Obviously the C1 and C2 buttons on the back. Oh, freight train. It's a biffer. Now the DJI Mini 5 Pro has been enhanced, and that feature has been enhanced. Hey, Macarena, aye. So in today's video, I'm going to do the preset, and I'm also going to be doing the optimal and see exactly how it acts. See how it acts. Does it do an act? Does it go, mommy? Now the DJI Neo. So that was the return to home and the dynamic home point. When it came to the actual return to home, I didn't want to do anything. So that was the return of the Mac. So that was just a basic example of the return to home. I wanted to see exactly how the operating particular worked on the pronunciation and deception. So hope you've enjoyed this video, and also I'm going to do a dance over here. Right, come on. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Can't even speak. Subscribe button. Get the simulator on and learn some moves. Get a bit more confident with the C1, C2 buttons, the Rimble Gotesh Kabangis. Hi, feed the bongo. Now, sometimes when it comes to flying a drone, rather than having to do these instructional videos, sometimes I just want to get the drone in the air and give it a good going over. Oh yeah, that just sounds wrong. Let us know in the comments how you're getting on, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and get more followers for me, because I'd love seeing you. You're just lovely. But it's a great open area to fly your drone. There's the odd dog walker here and there, but you've more. And if you've got any comments or advice, stick them in the comments section. I love reading your comments and getting advice from you, because yeah, I'm a beginner and just got to learn somewhere. Anyway, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Isn't that good? Yeah, see ya.